Hindi importante ang market sa emotions mo.
The market doesn't generate happy or painful information. From the market's perspective, it's all simply information. It may seem as if the market is causing you to feel the way you do at any given moment, but that's not the case.
Let me explain. Ang ginagawa ni market yung trabaho niya, pagalawin ang presyo. Ang trabaho mo, i-manage ang emotions mo at expectations mo. Meaning, pag bumababa yan at ine-expect mong tumaas anytime at papasok ka ng trade, you have to have the rules set up and i-journal mo bakit ka pumasok sa trade na yun. Hindi importante ang market sa emotions mo. Mas importante, managing your expectations and emotions. Because the market will do what it does best. Kahit FA or TA mo, the market will do what it's supposed to do. And emotions mo, ikaw lang ang may control dyan. Crypto word of the day, all-time low. Yan ang pinakamababang presyo ng isang cryptocurrency or isang asset.